Hello guys! Welcome to my channel. Hello! Going kami ngayon. Diyan. Ako dito sa doon. Tapos irin. Dito tayo kulay oh. Dapat dito yung mga kulay. Eh kasi hindi tayo makikita. Wala tayong kukuhaan. Nahulog.
He decided to hide a behind a piece of paper and approach the teacher, then strike once with an attack range. The teacher had already anticipated this and easily evaded the strike. This attempt seemed to have failed, but the bullet trap was concealed on his chest. Tony had modified specialized bullets into a bomb and detonated it at close range. This move was harmless to humans, but posed a threat to the teacher. When the smoke cleared, only a paper-thin layer of skin remained on the bullet. In reality, the teacher had already climbed
Ito
onto
yung
the
kulay.
ceiling,
Hindi ko makikita.
and he was transforming it into a shield.
Okay, ito. Okay lang yun. Ako lang yun. Basta makakakulay ka. Enjoy ako burger. Huwag na yung lapis. Gusto ko lapis eh. Pero mo ko lapis.
But if the teacher approached to rescue him, he would fall within the gun range. Jack thought he had one, but he had underestimated his opponent's power. The teacher extended his tentacles in midair.
Ay, nagbawal. Hindi ito makakasulit to.
Jack could neither pull the trigger nor react in any way.
Ito na
The
lang.
classmates felt both fear and awe for this teacher. In this peculiar school, you ever think about what it actually means to be it's waking every student in this
Hindi ka kita. Kasi dito ka kasi hindi ka
She
kita.
sticks out like a sore thumb. It turns out the students at the school were both very bored when they saw the girl, Easy, pull out a box of colored pencils. Their eyes filled with envy. One boy wanted to add the ocean to his drawing, so he planned to borrow a blue pencil. After a brief hesitation, Easy decided to lend it to him. But unexpectedly, the boy applied too much pressure while drawing and snapped the pencil in an instant. The classmates winced at the sight of the expensive pencil breaking, but the boy didn't seem to care. In the next moment, he pulled out a small knife from his pocket and began
Kaya ang camera, parang
However,
binitig
in just
ko
a few
rin.
quick moves, he had shaved off half of it. He then went back to his drawing.
Yung
But the
saya.
pencil snapped.
Saya
Just as he was about to start sharpening it again, Daisy appeared and stopped him. She didn't want her pencil to be reduced to a pile
Ito yung
of scraps, so she stepped
pati.
forward to reclaim it. In the process, the boy accidentally pushed Daisy to the ground. Just then, the teacher appeared at the classroom door. The teacher saw what had happened and assumed the boy was bullying the student. As a result, the teacher punished him by making him hold a water bucket while standing. Cheesy, witnessing this, believed the boy had been wrongfully accused.
Please subscribe.
Daisy and asked her why she didn't explain the situation to the teacher. However, Daisy simply said, "I'm sorry," before turning around and left. Confused, Cheesy continued to follow Daisy, and at that moment,
Ate sa akin no. Baka pa nakukulayan. Baka pag nakita nila yung ano ko videos, tapos nakita nila ako sa totoong buhay, magugulat sila. Kaya nga eh. Tapos magpapakita yung picture. 3 ngayon na, December 3, 2025. Hindi! Ano nga ulit ko? 3, December. Hindi, 3 kahapon, 4 na yun. Hindi! Tignan mo!
the chocolates were filled with alcohol. Under the influence of the
Ay.
alcohol, Daisy revealed the secret she had been keeping inside.
Ba?
It turned out that not long ago,
Set! Ikaw set! Tara na! Sige na! Mag-uwi na ako. Kukulay na ako.
What is the first Roblox game you ever played?
The first Roblox game
Strongest battle
was called
lang.
Tower of Hell.
Do you still play it?
Ano yung pinakauna mong nalaro?
Ako strongest battlegrounds.
MM2.
Ako strongest battlegrounds.
MM2.
Wag na kasi maingay, nagbibidyo kami.
What is the first Roblox game you ever
Oo nga,
played?
sasaklay ka sa lamin. Pwede ba? Oy. Mama Lisa!
Nagbay ka.
Nag-video, isasend namin sa
Do you
YouTube.
still play it?
To 4 minutes ka agad. Okay lang yun.
Guess what?
Well, guess my first game.
Dapat yung art.
Well, was your first Roblox game called Work at a Pizza Place?
No, it was hide and seek extreme, but work at a
Art ba yan? Bura ka ng bura.
one of my
Oo,
first.
yung nabubura sila, tapos magiging parang
My
totoo.
first game was Murder Mystery 2.
Uy, pares kami ni Mitch.
Roblox game was Bloxburg.
Bloxburg?
Yeah.
Is that an actual game?
Yeah, it's called Welcome to
Oh,
Bloxburg.
hindi
Do you still
nakikita.
play it?
Pusok ka doon.
Hi, I'm voice chatting. Turn on your mic
Hindi
so
din
I can
ako
tell you my
kita.
first game.
Dapat magkatabi
Okay, give
tayo
me 1
ng
minute. I will turn up my voice
Kaya,
channel.
or else dito na lang tayo maya-maya.
Okay, it's on now.
Sasabihin na lang natin part. Guys, maya-maya sa part 2.
Hello, you will probably
Brawler. Tapos bukas part 2 na. Tapos bukas, ay, ngayon na yung part 2, no? Hindi pa tayo nagko-color. First time pa lang natin mag-video at color. Kasi nga, di ba guys? Maya-maya part 2. Wala, kasi ang ganda na ito.
What's that?
Guys, hindi. Ang electric.
There's no going back.
Basta, pag nandiyan na yung electric fan, close mo.
Yellow 5. Wild card. Change it to
Baka
blue.
na.
Blue 4.
Ha?
See?
Okay na
See,
yan.
too bad. We'll be over soon. Sorry, son.
Burger sa akin. Burger.
Your market
Ano
is-
naman? Ito sinulat na ito ko yun.
Why do I feel like a part of my soul just got drained out because it did? Impossible.
Sa akin, 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4.
Every card you draw
Equals
is a
20.
year of life. That's not
3
true.
plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 12. Ganyan naman din yung sa amin. 3 times 4 equals 12. Oh.
Yes.
5 plus 5 plus 5, 15.
You won't see me
5. 5 times 5, 10, 15, 20.
Give me no choice. This is my only way out.
Ah,
What are you staring at? You have 12 years.
ayun. Huwag mo itong daganan pag ano kung kunyari. Di ba? May basa-basa pa yan. Pag neto, netaganan. Kasi meron kang mga kulay. Tapos, mga lalagyan ka na mo.
Look what I found. Go, 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 go.
Diyan mo yung push sa baba. Dadaganan ko.
You got 450.
Hindi dapat dadaganan. Unti-unti lang yung pag-ano. Ikaw ganyan lang. Tapos walang isa. Dapat hindi napapaano sa akin. Ganto-ganto lang. Slowly.
It's clearly. You got 497 correct.
Actually, it's oh my gosh, this is so lucky with this,
Ba't siya nabasa? Kaya mabasa pa yan kasi hindi mo na yung hinahawakan. Matatanggal yan pag inano mo eh. Gamit sabon. Di na ako kita.
You got it.
Siyempre nakaganon. Oh,
Supposed to be gold, you moron. Go, 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 go.
If Sonic and the Flash are arguing about who's faster in your living room, you must stop the conflict. If they race, they'll run so fast they'll blast a hole in time itself. Follow these rules to make sure they don't break time. Rule 1. Don't let them count down. If either one says, on your mark, time has already started to bend. Rule 2. Block the hallway. Sonic needs a straight path. Flash needs a long one. Cut the route and the race dies instantly. Final rule. If the air starts vibrating and your legs flicker, run. That means they're not arguing anymore. They
Hoy, magsulat ka na, nasa video tayo.
trying to get out of their way. If Sonic and the Flash
Mommy, why can't we afford
Napapanood
anything?
ko.
Well, honey, it's because we're poor.
Nasaan yung brown? Nasaan yung pinaka-brown? Aray?
People can't afford it.
Nasaan yung pinaka-brown?
Man,
Ako na
I
kami.
hate being poor. Why don't you make us some more money? Well, it's not easy making money.
Lagi tayo na uusog.
I'd find a job if I wanted to.
Ito yung
Just
pinaka-brown.
me. I heard that you could sell kitties for $80,000. Why don't we just sell that? We can't sell somebody's kitty. That's just not 80,000.
Brown. Ito yung pinaka-brown.
What?
Ito yung
What are you looking at?
pinaka-brown.
Hey, hey,
$78, $79, $80,000. Wow, Mom, this makes great. Can we do this every week? Of course we can. Eat the Kanye. Mommy.
Mommy.
Like him?
What's up, guys? It's Will Byers, and I got took back to the Upside Down, aka the Forest. They started chopping down
Kapag may
trees,
Robux na tayo, sobrang dami.
and slaughtered
Magbibideo nga kayo para masend sa YouTube. Sige, ikaw papakita namin dyan.
and by then I had also gotten a wolf pelt.
Uy, nasan yung isa
For
dito?
a good axe and a good sack.
Ay,
After I
andyan
got my
pala.
next one, I headed into
Uy! Magkatabi yung ano.
I went out wondering because maybe I
Ano? Doon dito daw. Ay, oo nga pala. Kasi kunya, isisend ka namin to sa'yo.
when I got back, I
So,
was surprised with the
ang
downpour
gulo
of
naman.
bullets with axes trying to kill me. It was
Nasaan
scary.
yung yelo?
But I took
Ina
care of
lang.
it. I decided to go out one last time because maybe even if my friends
Cheese
weren't here
yellow.
but I couldn't find them.
Cheese.
And then I fell into a wolf trap, and they got me.
Oh.
Huge thanks to the
Wow.
It was the day of his mother's funeral, and this boy didn't shed a single tear. He just stood there, silent, watching everyone else cry, and all he wanted was to go home.
Ay.
The moment the funeral ended, he rushed back, locked his bedroom door, turned on his video game, and whispered,
Ah, ito.
"Finally, I can play as long as I want." But nobody knew the real story. 2 weeks earlier, his mother had walked into his
Ano
room,
kasi?
shouting at him to stop playing and stop
Ano ka na?
ignoring. So she
Kaya
turned off his
nga
game in anger.
Ay, dito yun, di ba?
Snapped. "I hate you. I don't want to see you anymore." He stormed out of the house, leaving his mother alone. He didn't know she was fighting cancer. He didn't know how weak she already was. One day, she collapsed. There was no one there to call for help, and she passed away quietly, completely alone. After the funeral, he played all day. Nobody to scold him anymore. But a few days later, hunger hit him. Loneliness hit him. He suddenly missed her voice. He missed the nagging. He missed her opening the door and telling him to stop playing. At night, he dreamed about her. But every morning, he woke up to nothing. And the tears finally came. Endless, painful, unstoppable. He finally
Ganyan
realized
ako.
nothing in this world
Pag wala
matters more
mama
than
ko.
a mother's love.
Ayun.
He whispered to himself,
Ganyan.
"If she was here, I'd do anything she wanted. Anything. Just to make her happy."
Tapos
But it was
ako
too
na lang
late, because we don't
si
value
Papa
the
na
people
lang
we
sa
love
akin.
the most until they're gone. It was the day of his mother.
Dude, my little sister is absolutely annoying. Now, don't get me wrong. Most of the time, she's just minding her own business playing on her big-ass iPad. Oh, of course she plays stupid. But for some unknown reason, sometimes she becomes... One time, she blocked my path while going downstairs. But instead of waiting or telling my mom, I decided to just try to get through. And guess what?
She scratched my arm like a damn stray cat.
Malapit na, malapit.
Then she casually walks back to the couch
Hindi
and
ka
continues playing
kita.
on her iPad.
Dude, my arm looked like it was
bitten by a dog.
At least apologize. And don't get me started on her annoying habit of crying on basically any reason. I think
Lalo kasi hindi makikita.
I enter her room.
Ako na kasi mag-ano. Likod!
You're gonna pay for this.
Yan.
Good riddance. Dude, my little sister is absolute. Bro, there are so many
Lagyan natin ng shadow.
Like all they do is
Kasi
take
isa
you
na
in the
yung ano
hallway
ng
and
saan. Ito,
instant
yan.
fame. If you want to try it too,
Ito?
just go to Kyle's animation on
Ah.
Roblox. So I'm gonna try it.
Teka,
Even though I already know I'm not
ba't
getting over 10
ganito ba
subscribers from this.
pagkalagay mo?
Alright.
Kasi gaganyan. Usog mo muna. Oh. Sige, sige. Ay, tigas naman yun talaga. Lalagyan ko ng shadow.
Bro,
Ito tuyo na to. Hindi ba yan tuyo?
Oh, let go! Hey, chill out. You just felt bad for pooping.
Ako lalagyan ko ng mga shadow. Kasi wag mo tiisin. Te, ayan yung kanina mong ginamit? Yung sa dito? Minsan, tuyo na yan. Hindi, ito pala.
Where's he going?
Wag na yun. Ibang, yun na.
Baka makalimutan mo na naman yan.
Binabasa dapat to. Hindi yan binabasa, mawawala yung... Hindi na lang, ito na lang.
Bear Grylls Minecraft, but any block I choose gets removed. Alright, so we spawned in a plains biome. What the frick is this? Wood or grass? Oh, I gotta pick one to get rid of. Let's do wood.
Oh, tapos,
I guess we go with
na.
grass.
Gagawin mo ko sa mag-select.
Now, I think my only goal is to get some diamonds. Alright, let's get rid of wood now. Let's
Tapos
go
may mga
wood.
shadows. Si Mama Green.
Get rid of the village or get rid of diamonds? Man, this village could have been so cool. If I picked diamonds, I would have been alright, bye-bye village. What the frick?
Tagal natin mag... Ay, tagal na. Tapos na ako. Isa pa?
Sand or iron?
Wait lang, pero
Make sure
na
to
ko
think
yung...
this through. I think we should
Wait.
make iron because...
Ano ko na
Why
yung...
are you pressing me? Okay, bro,
Yung
relax.
contest.
There's not really a choice here, so well, all the sand is gone. Ain't no way you just left like that. Alright, well, off to the caves we go. Oh shit, holy crap, this cave is ginormous. Bro, again? This time it's deep slate or stone? Alright, well, I'm kind of curious what the cave is gonna look like without deep slate. Oh my gosh. Alright, well, I'm stupid. How do I get out of here? Yo, what the frick? How are you flying? Yo, please give me an electric, bro. Oh my gosh, no way. This guy actually just saved me. Alright, we out of here. I'm still wondering why that villager wanted me to choose sand instead of iron. Oh crap, that's why. Oh hell nah, bro, I'm out of here.
Good luck,
Except for the gate. Iron blocks or diamonds. So this one's pretty obvious.
Ayun siya na yun.
Let's go. All the bones are gone. Alright, bro, I'm hitting really good. Now we can find
Pagkatapos
some
sila
fish
ng
to
loob.
Hey, whatever, I'll provide you with that. Alright, you just hand over your diamonds. Alright, you stay safe. Wait, what are you doing? You idiot, bro. Why would you
Tao
close
sa
that
akin.
gate? There goes my diamonds. No. Minecraft button. These are the top four.
Tapos hindi mo ginagawa ng pulsa na.
So he told his dad he is leaving for work, but he wasn't since he was thrown out by his company for stealing. It forced him to act like he was. Actually, he was staying at home since he had a lookout notice from FBI.
Hindi na naman ako kita. Hindi naman ako. Lagi. Nga po ikaw. Kasi nakuganyan ako lagi. Nakaganyan ako. Tapos, kasi na nag-o. Oo. Ganyan ko. Ito. Oo, ako naman yun. Hindi ba ko? Oh, ayan. Kasi dapat. O kaya, pag ganito na lang. No? Tapos, hindi lalong iho. Mas gaganyan. Oh, mas lalong pangit. Hindi nakikita ang drawing. Diba? Wait. Ano? Kailan? Dapat magkatabi tayo. Hala ka na. Ano yung burger?
He was concerned he would get caught by the police, so he joined his dad inside the car without even creating the slightest sus noises, which would alert his dad. As he got out from his car, the son got out from the trunk and closed it so hard to distract his father. That's when he came in front of him like nothing happened. He even asked him why is he sweating like he completed an Olympic race. So he ignored the question by showing his
Tapos,
baby face. They left before the police found him. The guy had to fall from the 10-story
lagyan mo pangalan. Human. May. Kasi natin. Diba daw? O, diba hindi ka lahat? Hindi ko ito kayo. Ito yung pink or ito? Ito ba? Light pink. Oo. Ito. Sige, yun na lang. Yung buhok ko yun.
Ethan realized the only snacks in the house were those Takis. He stared at the bag for a moment and then slowly took a bite. By the time Brayden came downstairs, all his mini bags of Takis were gone.
Ganyan mo. Tagal na neto. Lumagtitrinit na. Orange yung mukha. Lagyan mo pangalan na ito. Uy, wag mong anuhin. Wag mo pa samahin dito yun. Kasi,
Alam mo ba
yan.
yung blue pixel yun?
Ano yung blue pixel?
Yung
Dan,
ano,
dan,
natatapos
dan.
sa ano? Medyo,
Kahit anong pink ko gamitin.
Ako din. Oh, dati takot ako din. Sino siya? Ikaw, ba't
Oo, magano ka na. Hindi na ito maaano sa YouTube. Ayun. Kasi ang tagal. Hindi na ito maaano sa YouTube kasi ang tagal naman eh.
Ano?
Joke lang. Paano sila manunood ng short? Na matagal yung short ko. Diba? Kaya, sana madaming likes. Please subscribe and follow. Yes, yes. Subscribe and like. Yan ah.
I run into a lot of bullies in private. Some of them have been extremely lively streaks. Obviously, I watch the enemies.
Oh, wag mong dalawahin. Malilituhan tayo. Pag
1 hour cake.
Baka magiging hour nito ha. Kaya nga eh. 20 pa naman. 21. Paano ito magiging short? Uy. Parang yung ipa-post na lang. Tapos naman kumuha ka. Hindi magpakuha ka. Wait lang, huwag ka dyan. Hindi ko lang yellow. Huwag na dyan. Okay na yan. Kasi ganyan. Dapat iba't ibang kulay, diba? Uy, hindi na ako makaano ng letter C. Ako na lang natitingnan. Iya. Sino sulat? Bilisan mo mag-drawing. Ikulay mo lang sa akin. Tapos ka na. Malapit na. Ako din. Iulayan ko na lang. Iulayan ko na itong ay, yung lapis ko. Wait lang. Ba't ikaw na lang nakikita? Sabi ko na nga eh, kasi yung banana chips. I am pinik. Hindi yan.
Sumakay ka kanina sa kay papa mo.
Hindi yan dyan. Oh! Ay, kung sakit naman dito. That my cellphone sent tayo. Ayan! Ah! Tapos ito lagay. Kasi palagi na lang natutumba kung ito nagtayo. I am pink, guys. Rate nyo to. Comment. Down below. Ito nga, ito. Ayan po kay Jillian, guys. Ito po sa akin. Rate kung saan yung mas maganda. Comment down below. Burger. Kabila lang pala to. Opo. Burger. Sige na. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.